You've been sold a lie. Your whole life you were told that the smart kids win. Get the good grades, get the degree, raise your IQ. But look around. How many smart people do you know who are completely broke? How many geniuses are sitting in cubicles taking orders from a guy who barely passed high school? Being smart is no longer enough. In fact, high intelligence without high execution is just a slow, painful way to fail. The world doesn't pay you for what you know anymore. It pays you for what you build with it. Let's talk about the intelligence scam. When you're smart, you can see all the angles. You can see all the risks. You can perfectly analyze exactly why a business or a project might fail. And you know what that does? It paralyzes you. You sit there planning, reading, watching another tutorial, waiting for the perfect moment. You become a professional overthinker. You convince yourself that gathering information is the same thing as taking action. It's not. It's just a comfortable form of procrastination. In 2026, information is completely free. A teenager with an internet connection and the right AI prompt has access to more raw knowledge than a university professor did 10 years ago. Your intellect is no longer a monopoly. The market doesn't care about your degree. The market doesn't care how many books you've read. The market only respects one thing: output. The guy who knows 20% of what you know but actually builds something will crush you every single time. He will fail, he will learn, and he will adapt while you are still drafting your perfect, flawless plan. He is getting data from the real world while you are getting data from your imagination. Intelligence is just potential, and potential is completely worthless until it is forced into reality. Stop hiding behind your intelligence. Stop researching. Stop planning for a future that doesn't exist yet. You need to become dangerous, and the only way to become dangerous is to execute. Take that big brain of yours and point it at a single, difficult task. Force yourself to build. The world is full of brilliant failures. The world is full of geniuses who never started. Don't be one of them. Stop thinking, start building.